Welcome to Dharma MITRA. In this video, I would like to introduce how to use the MITRA search system. In order to access that, you go to dharmamitra.org and then you select our search button here in the mode selector. After doing that, you will see this search window appearing, and here you can type in your search query, which I will do now. After typing that in, you can press the action button here, and then it will take a second for the results to show up. And what you see now are the results that our search system has found across the canons. And you will see here many results from the Chinese tradition, but we also see Pali, Tibetan results. We see Pali results here, and Sanskrit as well. So there are results from very, very different corners of the Buddhist canon. And if we are interested to learn more about a specific result, we can click on the explanation button here, which will then give you a LLM generated summary and contextual explanation of this specific result. Since the amount of results in this system can be very overwhelming, we also provide the filter options that help you to narrow down the results to specific sections of the canon. In order to access the filter options, you have to click on the Show Options button to the top right here, which will then give you additional options that you can select. In this case, for example, we want to get results from the Sanskrit data. And we can then also further narrow down to specific sections and subsections. So for example, we want to go for the Buddhist treatises, and maybe even we can narrow it down to the Abhidharma literature in this case. And if we then press the search button, it takes 1 or 2 seconds, but then we see how the results are generated based on the specific literature of the Abhidharma section of the Sanskrit material. So here you see one result from the Abhidharma Kosha Bhashya and here from the Abhidharma Deepa. So these filter sections are a very powerful and important tool to narrow down the amount of material to what we are really looking for.